Evening, ladies and gentlemen.
What could I say after it's done?
Hi guys, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. Sa mga bago lang, welcome. My name is Jerome Monastrial. I'm a car content creator, pop culture, anything in between. Basically, yun yung content natin. Then, dito tayo ngayon sa Ayala Malls, Manila Bay, level 7. Sa taas, sa may podium area. And time check, it's 3:07 p.m. It's a Sunday today, Stance Pilipinas Meet. Dito tayo, syempre, to support our friends. And medyo matagal na rin na hindi nagkaroon ng meet si Stance Pilipinas. And here we are again. So, pakita ko sa inyo kung sino yung mga nandito. Let's check out the builds na nandito rin also. Samahan nyo lang ako today for a very chill Sunday car meet. Yeah, if di pa kayo nagsusubscribe, mag-subscribe na kayo. Parang 80% sa inyo hindi pa subscribe. Mag-subscribe na kayo. Please, thank you. Nandiyan lang yun sa baba. And notification bell na rin para updated kayo every time mag-upload ako ng video. Every week naman ako nag-upload. Every Wednesday. So, alam niyo na yan. Without further ado, let's walk around here sa Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. Let's go! Start the walk around of the cars here sa Stance Pilipinas. An invite-only meet ngayon, this Sunday. Nag-start tayo kanina, pero nag-interview muna ako. Like mga solo vlogs. Meron ako in-interview na Vios. And meron din tayo in-interview na Previa. So abangan nyo na lang kung kailan ko siya upload. Lagay ko na lang sa baba. Pag-upload din na siya, I'm sure mapapanood nyo yun. Really cool builds, especially the Previa one. And yung Vios din, different take on building the Vios. Okay, so I've decided na I think we should start on the 7th. On the podium pala muna. Kasi ngayon na lang ulit binuksan yung podium. And it's still under construction. Some parts of it is still closed, pero some parts of it is open. Hello. Thank you. Let's go. Stop nyo na. Okay, the roof deck. Let's go. So, quick update on the roof deck situation. Yan. So, ngayon, ito na yung itsura niya. Solar panel sa taas. Everything. Di pa tapos pinturahan yung baba. Yan. See? So, we have here Ed Zafiro Wagon. FL5 Type R. Yun yung Porsche ni Kev sa dulo. We have a Vitz. Why is this dealer? Ba't di siya tumatalbog? A Volkswagen GTI. Pogi neto. GTI na, ano ba to? EBT. JDMU. Pogi, red to. Nürburgring. Ganda. Siyang ano. Mini pocket rocket. Disc brake. Tarap likod. Quad tips pa. Ganda. Then looks. Fortuner, Raze, yan, Team Cloud9. Yan, nakita natin to sa Raze Squad na event yesterday. Upload rin natin yon. If you haven't watched that, panood nyo na rin. Lagay ko sa description and sa upper right. Admins, GR Yaris, then a Galant. Beautiful Galant on Impulse silhouette. Nice choice of wheel. Ganda. Galant Super Saloon. City Motors. Ravenol. Pogi. May bibigay ako kay ano, kay Zido. Zido, this is for you.
Parang alam ko yan.
Sayang, di mo dala kotse mo. Buksan mo!
Next time na lang.
Buksan mo! Hindi, buksan mo na. Eh!
PSA grade.
Ganito naman ito.
Sayang, di mo dala kotse mo.
Sayang.
Lalabas ko naman mga
Ayun, Slam, Ironhead. Yun. Guys, kung gusto niyo rin ng ganito, message nyo ako, gawan ko kayo.
Ganda oh. 5K na, 5K. 5K.
Message nyo lang ako.
Trade-in ko sa baba to.
Oo, may nagbebenta na kita ko.
Pwede naman ko.
Isang nga pong Charizard.
Anong masabi mo, Zido? Ano masabi?
Hindi ko lang mabasa, wala ako salamin eh. Bayan Slam... Milan na ano eh. Hindi ko mabasa eh. Wala ako salamin eh. Yung K-Polar lang eh.
May basahin sa bahay pag may salamin ka na.
Thank you, ganda na ito.
Signs of aging na. Nadidebuff na.
Di-display ko sa kwarto ko.
done with the podium area kasi inuna ko na yun kasi mamaya wala nang ilaw doon and mamaya gabi na. Ang reserved parking slots for today's meet is level 6, level 7, 6, 7. Let's check the cars and attendees here for today's Stance Pilipinas meet. Let's go. Kanina sa taas to, bumaba na siya. We have a small body in green, Mirage, Miata, with a very nice set of wheels. Rare na, which is the Lover Soul. Very nice. Nakita ko to sa iLove eh. Ang ganda ng mags niya. Ganda oh. Enjoy car life. Shout out to Boss Hype. Boss, ayun nyo to? Ganda. Name mo bro? Dexter? Dexter. Ganda nung nung mags mo. Crush ko yung mags mo. Lover Soul. Ganda. Are you from Laguna? I saw this car sa iLove. Sa iLove. Nagpagawa rin din ako dun. Yan, ganda oh. Hardcore Manila. David Boys. What's the exhaust on this one?
Auto EXE po.
Auto EXE. Wow, ganda. Is this your Sunday meet car?
Everyday.
Everyday car. Wow. Ganda. Graduate ka na ba? Or still a student? Second year college. Sarap naman. Miata. Ganda. White pa. White on white. Ganda. This car with you?
2 years.
2 years na rin.
From Mindanao siya eh.
From Mindanao. So far, how's driving ang Miata?
Fun naman siya, pero
Fun.
may mga problems talaga.
Oo. Well, 90s car.
This car.
Got a sticker, bro. Last one na ata to, I think. And then, yan. Sticker. Any shoutouts?
Shoutout Nabi Boys po.
Davi Boys. Davi Boys. Ano yun? Car group nyo sa Laguna? Sa school. Davi Boys. Alright. Ganda. Nice meeting you, bro. Solid. Ito, may mga Miata pa dito. Si Lala, the Miata, always present din to. And a newer Miata, Soul Red. Nice. Ganda. Yan na. Shoutout. Lala, the Miata, the Ever Since. Always present. May Adventure dito, may VTEC 3, Corolla, Subaru, WRX. Ito, Hyundai, Accent. Slammed. Grabe naman yung wing, sobrang laki. Voltex. Loaded with a lot of small bits and pieces, carbon chin. Very clean, parang naka Type X, Vios, Gen 2. Yeah. Love Life. Toms, ganda. Ito rin, oh. Love Life, ganda. Very clean. Corduroy. Nice set of wheels. Ano wheels to? Avid 1. Ganda. Ito rin, oh. OEM Plus. Slammed. Altis. Yan, ganda. Okay, let's go upstairs on 7th floor. So, this is level 6. So, this is an invite-only meet. Very cute. Kay Vince ata to. RSZR with Bridgestones. 4-door Vitz. Why is this Dila? Dapat tumatalbogin eh. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Wow, Club 2MZ. Legends of the 90s. Let's go. And now we go on here, 7th floor. Wow, look at that. Ganda. Impol. Ganda ng mags, oh. Ang mags, Impol. Racing. Oh, Impol na. Dice. Ganda. Smile. We have Alfonso's late 60s, MRS. What's this? Ford Territory ba to? Wow. Saint Black. Oh, shit, oh. Ford Territory ba to? Oh, naka-territory nga. Pero lowered. Galing. Evo. With Larry Chen here. Black Evo. Evo 9. Civics, of course. Always present. Civic. City. B14. Z. White Z. Ganda ng ilaw niya. Projector. Z33. JDMU. Ganda ng badge. JDMU. Very clean. Then we have here an 86, GT86. Si Julius, oh. Mamaya, interviewin natin yun, oh, mamaya, oh. We have here an 86. Okay, alam ko na yung kits na ito. Kasi nung last time na nakita ko to, I'm still guessing kung anong kits siya. So, it's an inks. Full inks build. Yan, ganda. And if I can remember it right, this guy won our raffle for the MS Manila Street Chronicles X Ever Since. Yan. Ganda, oh. Toms. Ganda ng build niya. Then we have here, tri-spoke na bigote. Tri-spoke bigote. Ayun, oh. Si Paul. Let's go. Hi. Yan ata sticker, bro. Nabigyan na ba kita na ito? Last one na ata. Oh, last one na. Last one. Okay, Paul.
helmet.
Mr. Trusted. Let's go. Have here, bigote, Civic, and tri-spoke. Pogi, oh. Old school H logo. Wigo, new gen, Yaris natin. Audi. Audi to. S4. And it's for sale. Ayan. Post nyo na lang if you want this Audi. I'm going slow on purpose. Si Aso ka. Ganda ng sticker. The owner is probably a weeb. Bakit niya alam yun? Yan, Audi S4. Ganda. Stock wheels pa to. Parang siyang BBS. And Julius. Big body. On Toms. New action. Ganda. Red on red action. Then Suzuki. Espresso. Call choppy wheels. Nakita ko to. Alabang. Yan. Yung Jollibee show. Jollibee. Hello, Jollibee. Thank you, boss. Yan, nagdikit siya. Alam ko sa kabila, dan-da-dan. Yun pa rin ba? Dan-da-dan. Yeah, dan-da-dan. Turbo Granny. Tapos sa kabila, si Jollibee. Let's go! Thank you, boss. And we have here AE92 on Workmeisters Slammed. You know, shout out to Low Kids. Ganda ng sticker nila. Have a Sedia build dito, Picanto. Oh, si Sir! Nandito na si Sir! Okay na pala yung kotse ni Sir. Ito kaya siya. Merong Prelude. Mr. Osh of Low Kids. Change color na. Uy, ganda ng kulay. Green pala to. Kala ko black. It's green. Dark green. Prelude. Yan. Solid. Low Kids. Ganda, oh. Static yan. Not air. Static. Bombit sticker. Shout out to Bombit. Subaru. Auto Plus. Then, kay Gio ba to? Yeah, kay Gio. New mods on this car. Naka-air na siya. But still, very clean. OEM wheels. White interior. White corduroy interior. One of the admins of Gen 2. Yan. Gio. Then we have here a Civic FB with a nice set of wheels, you know. Ganda. Nakakausap ko na yung owner nito. Nalimutan ko yung pangalan. Pero parang siyang Junction Produce na Scara. VIP build. Ganda. Super clean. Vigo. Tri-spoke. Baba, oh. Heart tips. Wow, cute. Accent. Then we have here NCP 91 of Mr. BJ Ceza. Guys, tingnan nyo yung shift knob niya. If nandun pa rin. Nandun pa rin, you know. Zoom in ko na lang. Babae yung shift knob niya, guys. And Mr. BJ, fellow Yaris boys. White on white. Ganda. NK wheels. Same as our wheels, NK rin. Then this Jazz on clear taillights. Joy 81. Ganda ng plate. Vios. Gen 3.5. Clean Culture. Shoutout to Clean Culture. Ito yung 3.5 eh, if I can remember. Oh yeah, ito nga yun. 3.5. Facelift. Vios. BM. Z3 Clown Shoe. Kanina may nakapark ditong RX-7 na napalitan ng puting galan. Ito na yun. Ito dito pa rin. Always present also. Z3 clown shoes on BBS. Yeah. We're here, we have South Society Boys. Ito kay AA. City. Ganda, anong magsto? Haman. Ganda. Haman. City. PX. SE37. Ganda rin. Benetton. Ay, hindi to kay AA. Hindi to kay AA. Kumamon. Ganda, SE37. Then, Toyota Vios, but also a Yaris on some other parts of the globe. Europe ata, Yaris, or US. Yaris ang tawag sa Vios. Ganda rin ng mags. Fender to lip. Gewalt. That's the name of the wheels, Gewalt. Orange. Vios. Then we have an HRV. Very underrated platform to build on, HRV. You know, ganda. Yohaco, shout out to Yohaco Kudo Zenith. i8 PM, electric. R35, Nismo, Accord. Yan, Etivak Boys, Weekend Boys, Cavite Boys. Nismo, GTR 35. Alam ko streamer to eh. May-ari. And we have here 1118's M3 Touring competition on Adro Kids, always present, always supporting. And we have here pizza kay, ano pangalan nito? Also our friend Slammed. Nice set of wheels. Ganda oh. Nagbago na pala siya ng wheels. Dati naka-ano to eh, parang 14s ata siya. Kay Luigi, yun, kay Luigi. Ganda. And kay King, RS2, on Toms also. Kay Kyle, Euro 2. Nice set of wheels. Parang ano, BBS. Anong wheels ba to? Tuning type MT. Ganda. Version mesh. Yan o, Euro 2. Ganda. Body paint din yung ano, bumper. All straight red. Red maroon. Parang wine red. Ganda. And then we have parang VIP style na Jazz. With bucket seats na Recaro. Wow, dalawa. And bedazzled H emblem. Blitz na BBK sa likod and Durandal na wheels harap likod. Blitz BBK. Wow. Guys, tingnan nyo naman yung ground clearance niya, no? Halik na sa lupa. Grabe. Jazz. Wow. Ano to? Ah, Garson. VIP. Tips. Ganda, oh. Look at that fit, man. Suksok. Ganda. Honda Jazz. Ano kayong size na ito? Siguro mga 17 siguro to. Ganda. Then we have here Herbs E36 Slammed, ano. Then Calvin. Spec R Sylvia. Naka-equips. Palit na pala siyang mugs. Race, red on red. Red caps, red lug nuts. Spec R Sylvia. S50. Yeah, ganda. Mr. Marwood. Ganda. Meron rin palang shirts, yung stands dito. Ayan, they're also selling. Ito embroidered, oh. Mga bagong shirts ng stands. Tapos may mga naiwan pa palang ano, hat. Stands. New era, may naiwan pa pala. Pero feeling ko mga maliliit na lang to. Na fitted hat. Yan, Larry Chen. guys, so I think this is about it for our video for today for the Stance Pilipinas meet. So if umabot kayo guys sa part ng video na to, you can comment down below podium na lang. Since nandito tayo ngayon sa podium and may Evo 9 dito, wagon na nasa likod natin. Pogi. So podium, comment down below podium para alam mo kung nanood kayo from start to finish. And if you guys wanna buy our merch, Eversense merch, alam nyo na yan, it's always going to be www.eversense-streetlove.com. Don't forget the dash, baka sa'yo mapunta. May mga hats pa kami available doon. Hindi lang ito, may ibang design. And also shirts, marami pa yan. Check nyo na lang sa website. Yeah, so thank you so much guys for watching. This has been Jerome Monastrial. See you on the next vlog. Johnny! Yung meron dito, parang may gumagawa silang dirt track. May mga ramp sa tapat.